Hello everyone, hello fans. So today I would like to create a form register in a Google Form. So I will share a link in the title and content and YouTube and TikTok. So you can read and I choose two topic uh, Minitab and Power BI in Query data to share with all of you want to register in this course. Of course, this was just free, no any money. Take note this. And then before you register, you can review on the channel YouTube dot in information scan the QR here. I put a link below a photo, and then you choice multiple choice Minitab or Power BI relationship or what else. So what member information on below the list. I can take note on the switch and contact with you. Put some information here and maybe phone number is better. And this is channel YouTube. Here you can review some topic you like and join the course you want. Minitab or Power BI or TikTok like that. Okay, bye guys.